the gate open?
This house has been repossessed.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it has.
For the benefit of body worn footage, it's still a dispute at number 81 Sim in the village.
So you're confirming that's a civil dispute? Thank you very much.
You've not got permission to be on my property.
And you don't have permission to be on this property. So are you making a claim?
Yes, I re-entered just last Friday gone.
And how did you manage that?
I just used a crowbar and took the chipboard off.
Now, once you've done that, some would say that you were in breach of the law by ignoring this High Court possession order. Was any action taken by the authorities?
Yes, somebody called 999 and the police were there within 10 minutes.
The police were there? Where
at my house. And they came and they accused me of breaking in and entering, and then I educated them on that I am the lawful owner, and I showed them all the paperwork that was necessary. I showed them why the writ of possession was a fraudulent instrument. It took me about half an hour to go through all the documentation, and they left shaking my hand, wishing me well, and they were really positive. They even said if it happened to them, they know where to come.
Right, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks very much for your time. Appreciate you coming down, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully we don't.
Thanks, Stuart.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Very welcome.
Nice to see you.
And you.
Cheers,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thanks a lot.
I remember
And the court in Manchester found against you. So why on earth didn't you just pay up? It would have been a lot cheaper.
I did actually pay initially £17,000 because
Well, you paid £17,000.
I did, yes.
What for did you pay the £17,500, and exactly who to? In whose favour? Presumably your neighbours.
Yes, it was actually, the cheque was made payable to Cogent Law, so I assume that they
Who are acting on behalf of your neighbours.
who are acting on behalf of the neighbours. I did pay under duress because I was scared. I thought they'd take my house, etc., etc. And so I did
Well,
pay.
they did.
They did, yes. But at that time, I wasn't knowledgeable about all the facts in the matter. But now I have all the facts in my possession. I'm very confident that nobody can take my home away from me.
So the Cogent Law said you owed them, not
Yes.
your neighbour,
Not my neighbour.
£72,000.
Yeah.
Which you challenged over a period of time.
Yeah.
And they never gave you explanation or a breakdown of what
They gave me no evidence of where the money had come from. They
where the charges had come
Yeah,
from.
they never gave me any evidence at all.
You must have been stressed.
I was stressed for many, many years, and then I got to a point where I couldn't take any more stress, so I had to change my attitude towards life in general, basically. I was really stressed. I was ill with my health. My skin was just falling off me through psoriasis. Couldn't sleep, couldn't eat.
Do you not fear that the High Court enforcers might possibly return to carry out their original order?
They might return, but they won't. I'm confident, and I hope that the police are not there to support them, because that's what makes them look like they've got the authority, but they haven't got the authority to force down my door. They haven't got the authority to take possession. Nobody has got authority to take possession of my home.